Hi, my name's Bill with 10 Mile Creek Nursery. Just to show you, this is just a farm pond that we've got on the located on the nursery, and we have tossed a peach with raindrops out in the pond just to see how it would grow and what it would look like. And this is 1 year's growth in the corner of this pond. Peach with raindrops. You can actually tell right now the flowers are actually more red in the pond than they actually are in a contained pot. And they actually get bigger in a pond as opposed to a pot. All the plants kind of grow to fit their container to some degree.